Lamborghini has replaced its entry supercar, the naturally aspirated V10 Huracán, with this, the Temerario, and it's powered by a hybrid twin-turbo V8. But just like you shouldn't judge a book by its cover, don't judge a car by its spec sheet alone. This thing makes 907 horsepower and revs over 10,000 RPM. We're going to judge this vehicle on its performance numbers today, and I'm wearing these dorky glasses so you can come for a ride with me. All right, we got the hybrid powertrain in performance mode. The whole vehicle's in Corsa or track mode. I'm going to hold this button for launch control. Left foot on the brake, right foot all the way down to the floor. 4,000 RPM. Here we go. A little bit of wheel spin. 10,250 RPM. This is incredible. 0 to 60 in 2.2 seconds. Quarter mile in 9.6 seconds at 149 miles per hour. We're going to correct those for weather eventually, but they're going to be right on top of the raw numbers. And man, that's an experience. That is an incredible experience. There are EVs that will get you there quicker, but none will do it with as much emotion as this vehicle. The hybrid powertrain takes away nothing from what this awesome flat plane crank V8 is doing. Obviously, the front motors are helping you get off the line there. Probably heard a little bit of wheel slip, but it seems so controlled. And man, Lamborghini really knows how to deliver the sound, the feeling, the experience of a fantastic supercar.
Those numbers stand even after applying the SAE J1349 weather correction. Rocketing to 60 miles per hour in 2.2 seconds, the Temerario is sandwiched in the 900ths of a second gap between the 2026 and 2021 Porsche 911 Turbo S. Besides Porsche's newest big dog, the only quicker vehicles are the Ferrari SF90 Stradale Assetto Fiorano and 3 EVs, the Tesla Model S Plaid, Porsche Taycan Turbo in a couple variants, and the Lucid Air Sapphire. But to fully appreciate how quick the Temerario is, we have to sort our database by quarter mile time. This Lamborghini is the quickest vehicle with a combustion engine that MotorTrend has ever tested. Stopping the clock in 9.58 seconds when it's traveling at 148.5 miles per hour, the Temerario beat out the Ferrari SF90 by 0.03 seconds. When it comes time to scrub all that speed, carbon ceramic brakes haul this Lambo to a stop in a strong but not spectacular 96 feet. As with the acceleration times, cranking up the velocity puts this car in its best light. Stopping from 100 miles per hour in 266 feet, the Temerario lands in a three-way tie for 12th place on our list of thousands of vehicles. And now it's on to the really fun stuff. We call MotorTrend's Figure 8 test a racetrack in a bottle because it combines cornering, braking, and acceleration into a single test of a car's performance and dynamic balance. The Bridgestone Potenza race tires bite into the pavement with 1.14 Gs of cornering grip. The lap time, 22.3 seconds. That puts it several tenths behind top-shelf supercars like the Corvette Z06 and ZR1, Ferrari 296 GTB Assetto Fiorano, and the 911 GT3 Touring. But it's hardly slow. We like to frame the figure 8 with a second number, the average G-forces due to acceleration, braking, and cornering experienced over the full lap. The Temerario's 1.05 Gs means that for the entire lap, you're either being pushed from behind, pressed into your seatbelt, or pinned against the bolster harder than gravity is holding you on this planet. It's wild. And that's the one word that summarizes the Lamborghini Temerario. Actually, maybe you need 2 words. Freaking wild. As impressive as its performance is, this car isn't just about the numbers. It's a cocktail of caffeine, adrenaline, and testosterone on 4 wheels.